mystery of hearts and an epiphany, a seed that grows only if you and I were made to fly. Tell me how our story ends. Is it just me or are we pretend? Limitless, just like the sky. That's the way I imagined you and I. What happened to those bluebirds? When loving you is not a curse. Our souls were one with the stars, drifting slowly up to Mars. Concert grands, piano keys, playing the chords of you and me. Your love was one for the movie screens, imagining how it could have been. Feels like it's not about the